If you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy S25 to a car, then what you need to do is first of all go to settings, then over here choose connected devices, scroll all the way down and go to Android Auto. This is an app that we can use in order to connect our S25 to a car, so press connect a car button in order to proceed. Now we will see these instructions where we need to plug our phone into the vehicle's Android Auto compatible USB port. If you can connect wirelessly, then you have this option at the bottom, connect using wireless Android Auto, and you can try it out. This option is available for most, if not almost every car made in 2021 onwards. And we can also try to use Bluetooth if needed, so here we can press connect using Bluetooth, and then we can press pair a car in order to jump to Bluetooth settings, and here in available devices we should be able to find our car. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!